Stay ball. All right, good shot. At least we didn't put no big blue squares on that one. Yeah, I can play a little while if you can. I'm okay. So whatever you want to do, I'll play whatever. Just tell me what it is. Tell me what it is, and I'll adjust. There you go. What was that? 9. That's pretty good. We do okay for a couple of old folks. But yeah, you be good, my brother. We'll play soon, and I'm gonna get on and get in the house and go to bed. Yeah, I gotta take the wife to the doctor tomorrow and run errands and grocery stores, and it never stops. Yeah, you think it would, but it don't. So I guess the alternative is if it stops, then we ain't gonna be here no more, right? Yeah, that's the way I'm looking at it. Every morning I get up, my feet get to the floor. I'm looking at it as a positive. Brother, take it easy. It's a lot of fun. Be good. Later, man.